Hello everyone, this is Grade 2, Module 7, Lesson 23, Homework. For the directions it says, measure your handspan and record the length here. Then, measure the handspans of your family members and write the lengths below. So, you're going to end up measuring, and you'll see that you're measuring from thumb to pinky straight across. And you're going to write that measurement, you'll put the person's name here, and then the length here, and don't forget units for that. And then down below you'll record it in the table depending on how long their handspan was, and you're going to round these for approximation, and then answer a few questions. But since that is going to vary based on who you measure for hands, we'll go to page 2 because that'll help out with how you're going to answer these questions on the first page. So on page 2, we're going to use a ruler, and we're going to measure the lines below in inches, and then I'll record the data below to show you kind of how this works. So here is my ruler, and now I want to measure these lines. And I see A is 3 inches, so I'll write that above it. And I'm going to slide my ruler down, and I'll measure B. And B looks pretty close to 6. And then I'm going to keep going, and I'll measure C. And that's about 5. D, and I got to line up my points there, and it's close to 4. And I'm trying to get just about measurements on it, close enough measurements. I don't need exact for this. E looks like it's a little over halfway of 1 because it's longer than the 1.5 mark, so I'm going to go up to 2 because that rounds up. F is right at 3. And G is, I'm going to say 1 because it's a little past 1, but it's not. It's closer to 1 than it is 2. So now I'm going to do my tally marks here. And it's going to be based on these statements. So shorter than 4 inches. So this one doesn't count because it is 4 inches. So I'm going to do anything less than 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll write in 4 tally marks, and I'm going to write 4 on the outside to help me. Longer than 4 inches means this one and this one, so that's 2. And then my last one, equal to 4, that's this one right here. So I have 1. So as I slide down, try to get my ruler out of the way, the questions say, for B, how many more lines are shorter than 4 inches and equal to 4 inches? So shorter than and equal. And if we're looking for how many more, we're looking for the difference. So I had 4. I'm going to take 1 away from it to find the difference between the two, and that's 3. Or I can start at 1 and say, how many more does it take to get to 4? So I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 1, 2, 3. So we're still going to get 3 either way. C says, what is the difference between the number of lines that are shorter than 4 inches and those that are longer than 4? So again, we're trying to find the difference, meaning subtraction, for shorter, which is 4, and for those that are longer, which is 2. So I subtract those 2, and I'll find that there's 2 of them. 2 difference there. Let's take a look at D. Ask and answer one comparison question that could be answered using the data above. So I got to come up with my own question on this. And I think my best question that I can come up with will be the one that I'll state down below. So there's my question. How many more lines are longer than 4 inches than equal to 4 inches. So I'm looking for longer than 4 inches and equal to 4 inches. So longer is 2, equal to 4 is 1, and I know the difference, because I'm looking for how many more, is 1. So 1 more. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the rest of your homework.